Happy Easter Sunday. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah!
Kayo na yan.
Sa akin din.
Wow, natakam kami.
Get for your ate also. You give your ate. Oh, bangat.
Anong sabi mo, ate?
Hindi pwede na ako sa kids event tapos playground.
More!
I found a lot!
Ano to?
Sa branch.
Ako yung pala ko golden egg.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Mukhang nakipagdigmaan ka.
Happy Easter!
Look, tignan niya, guys. Ano kami, Happy Easter Sunday. Greetings, Happy Easter Sunday! Pero sila, Easter egg hunt. Ayan, doon pa rin sa Brittany Hotel. At, ano yung costume mo? Ollie, sino ka? Who are you? Say Judith.
Wow! You're a police bunny.
Si Ayi, hindi ko na nabilihan kasi nga ang hirap maghanap ng bunny costume sa age niya. Pero ayan, nag-denim siyang parang jumper. Tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng bunny ears.
People ignore Bambi.
Ay, Ollie! Ollie! Galingan niyo kumuha ng egg, ha?
We should bring chocolate egg. Ollie, look at this. Wow. Ouch. Here you go. The umbrella. Yeah. Hug. Are you the best police?
Are you ready, guys?
Yeah! Hold your wrist like this.
More tickets pa.
Go, you're next.
Go.
To our guests who just arrived, our Merienda buffet is now open, and we also have a face cleaning station at the side of the elevator.
Ready sila.
You want to put this inside, no? O there.
Oh, wow.
No? You want orange or the pink one?
Pa?
Are you okay with
Ito
this
po.
Thank you.
Let's go, Oli.
Get the closest thing to me.
Yeah.
Get the closest.
Enjoy.
Let's go.
I just saw the middle.
Okay. Meron na palang lunch dito. Oo nga eh. Akala ko walang pagkain na ano. Meron palang kasama. Sayang meron palang pagkain dito na kumain pa kami naman kami bago umalis. Ayan o. Ayan sila ayun. Ayan, may mga pagkain dyan. Tapos dito. Tapos meron pa dun. First time lang kasi namin dito. Binayaran namin nasa 4,000 plus. 5 na kami. Pero si Oli kasi libre pa. Kasi parang pag 3 years old, libre pa. Tapos ang adult nasa 1,000 plus per head. Tapos ang mga bata nasa 800. Ano? Madami.
Kumuha ko para sa akin muna. Sarap.
Dami. Meron pa pizza pa. You have pizza. Later. This is still closed. This is for later. Tatry ko lang.
This one.
Then,
Spaghetti ko na kumain.
kayo na ito sa akin.
I want this one.
Kayo na ba ito sa akin? Later, mommy will get you food. Ayun oh, meron doon mga chocolates oh. You want to try? Ha? Okay. Let's wait for ate. Ano?
May ice cream. Baka gusto niya.
Ah, sige.
All I want was mac and
Okay.
cheese and churros.
Wow.
There's ice cream. I'll get it later.
Okay. Kayo na yan.
Sa akin din.
Wow. Natakam bigla.
Kaya natatanong kita, anong gusto ni Oli?
Hindi ko pa alam. Kasi pinakita ko yung pagkain mo, ayaw. Oh, ito yung mga kasamang food. Oh. Diba sulit na? Para kang nag-buffet. Para kang nag-buffet sa labas.
Ali!
Wow!
Wow!
Cheeseburger!
You get your cookies na? You get your cookies?
Hello! Kain!
Oh my God, which one are you gonna pick?
Ah, wow! Yung may duck daw.
Get it!
Get for your ate also. You give your ate.
Sure!
Oh, bayan! Oh, which one pa? She was the one who made it, oh. She's the same size as you. You're good na?
Say yes, thank you po.
Halika, dun pa tayo sa next.
Ay, Louie, what's
Kaya
your
pala,
Mac and cheese, churros, and donut.
favorite na niya mac and cheese?
My Mizuki sister-in-law.
pagpapagad ko. Meron kayo na. Pagpagat ko, mama na lahat.
10 out of 10. Aww. I wanted to make an ice cream sandwich though. It's good. That's my favorite type of ice cream.
So, thank you for accepting.
Thank you din.
Nakakatuwa, grabe. Tuwa ako. Ayun, pero enjoy. And again, thank you so much. Thank you. Then, masalamat namin sa'yo.
Ay, thank you din.
There's magicians later. Really good ones. Fun. And then Easter egg hunt.
Magic po muna, no?
Magic muna. I
Is
think
there
mga
chocolate
Ang
egg?
sakto hindi na mainit na.
chocolate, no, but there's, there's chocolate inside the egg.
Yeah. Yay.
Candies lang. We couldn't fit it, it's so hot there. Three. We try to separate the kids from the
How much offer?
Pero,
What about me?
how old are you? 14. 14? We'll just pretend you're 5. You can be here.
12.
Sige, again, thank you so much.
Thank you po. Anong sabi mo, ate?
Hindi pwede na ako sa kids event tapos playground.
Okay lang yan, ate.
Ano?
I don't know what to say about this,
Bakit mo kahit?
but it's still good.
Go. Go, Oli.
Tingin.
Nako, paano ka magsasalamin?
Hindi ko alam.
Let's go, Oli. Balik lang ulit kami dito. Balik lang ulit kami.
Okay, you bring one, pasok na yung
One.
Oli, look here. Andyan kayo. Ano? More!
I found a lot.
More pa! Kasi mas marami, mas may ano ka, may prize. Ano, may nakita ka?
Konti lang talaga yung itlog.
Oo.
Lima lang. Yung iba nga walang nakuha eh.
Ay, ganun?
Oo. Ang konti ng itlog. Ito.
Ha?
Ano to?
Pang ano yata yan? Sa branch?
Ako yung kala ko golden.
Buksan mo, baka may golden egg.
Hindi ka makakita doon.
Na-video ka naman kahit pa paano.
Sa phone.
Konti lang. Ang bilis nila eh. Bilang nawala sa paningin ko.
Where's your egg, Ollie? Can you show me? Ayun!
Ano next you got?
Good job! Let's go! Careful!
Not bad.
Need more, Ollie? Huh?
No more.
No more? How many eggs do you have? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have 5 eggs. Good job, Ollie. Let's go, Ollie. Find some egg.
There you go.
Can I see your eggs? Wow! Go! Ollie! Here, Ollie.
Nathan?
Hold your egg. Hold your egg.
Out of the
Hold your
egg.
egg.
There's no more eggs.
Can I open it?
Later.
The eggs.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Mukhang nakipagdigmaan ka.
I found the white eggs. Unboxing.
Wow, golden egg.
Wala.
Golden eggs.
Saglit, I can't open both of my eyes.
May tissue ka ba? O, mag-wipes ka. Wow!
What does it mean again?
Nagiging chick.
Huh?
You're gonna have chicken.
That's it?
Yes.
I thought there would be like money or something. Green should be money.
Show your eggs, Oli.
1, 2, 3, smile. Ollie. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Show me your egg. Show your eggs. Wow!
Happy Easter!
Sino ba gusto ng Niger? Okay, naman ang isang volunteer.
Magtatawag na ng best in costume. At tayo iaasa.
And Ata's jealous because I got the silver egg.
May nakuha silang silver. Nasaan na? Ayun o, silver. ano to? White egg pero ang nasa loob niya silver.
May summer
Getaway.
getaway ka dito. Kasi yung open na nila yung pool nila sa public.
Ay, ganon. Ayun.
Okay,
Kahit hindi ka
the
nakastay.
three names that I'll be calling will be, but there's a best in costume in the male and female category. Congratulations, Maria Riley. For the second runner-up, it's Chelsea Sanchez. Chelsea, where are you, little girl? A round of applause for Chelsea Sanchez. And for the last to receive a small token, the name is Olivia Felice Austria. Olivia, where are you? Olivia, are you here?
Samahan mo. Ha?
Olivia. Olivia, you're here, okay? Congratulations, baby girl. Congratulations, little girl. All right, perfect. Okay, and the winner for the best in costume and female category, Little Bunny. Let's start with a female. The name is Luna Stella Iglesias. Luna, congratulations.
Wow.
Oh, wow, what a pretty lucky winners of the 2 golden eggs and 3 silver eggs. So if you have a white egg with you,
Louie!
okay. Oga, we already have someone who got 1 gold egg and the second one who got the gold egg. Can you open another one with 1 silver egg? Baby girl, please stand. There's 2 more silver eggs. Second one, we have 1 last silver egg left. It is inside the white egg. Please open the white egg and okay, we're complete? Alright, so we got the gold eggs. Okay, we got the 5 lucky winners for an exclusive Brittany Hotel escapade. So 2 winners of the golden egg, which entitles them for an overnight stay here at Brittany Hotel, and 3 winners of a day tour summer escape still at Brittany Hotel. Congratulations to our top 5 winners. Okay, so once again, congratulations to our 3 winners of the silver egg and the 2 golden egg winners. You may now proceed to your seats. Congratulations, everyone.
Yay. Sinong isasama mo? Hindi din natulala. Yay.
Babalik na naman tayo.
Ah,
Yay!
summer escape day pa.
Yay!
Can I see it?
Let's go. Magsuswimming kayo. For ilan?
I want
Ah, okay.
That's only count.
So,